bodyweight arm bar. I will show you 2 different levels. Let's begin. Setup position, lie on your back. Watch both of my arms. Left arm falls behind my head. Right fingertips will continuously reach for the ceiling. First movement, right leg slightly comes off the floor, not high. I turn my torso to the left. Legs move first. Hips, stomach, chest. And the last thing is my head. And my arm stays looking up. And that's my arm bar. And I come back up. Goal is to have your whole torso facing the floor. Level 2, which you can do. You may start this way. So bring your leg up first. Rotate it. It will help you with the movement. And then my hips faces the floor. My chest. And then my face faces the floor. And return. Main objective of the movement is to keep this arm continuously reaching for the ceiling. That is the exercise. Enjoy.